What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the Brown Gent. In this video, we've got another amazing claim for you today. This time, it's the WEN token. And if you've had any interaction with the Jupiter platform on Solana, you should be qualified. So we're going to get into it. It's going to be really fast, but just remember, nothing here is financial advice. You've got to do your own research. And if you want extra coaching, guidance, and support, check out the Web3 Secret Society in the YouTube membership. Now, if you took a look on Reddit or you've been keeping up with Solana, they were basically going to launch their first launchpad token WEN, and about 942,000 wallets will be eligible to claim their Jupe airdrop. However, there's also going to be this airdrop that came out today where 70% of the WEN token is going to be evenly allocated across over 1 million wallets. And everyone gets in this distribution 643,000 tokens. So you probably have already heard of Solana. If not, I do have a Solana airdrop guide that should hopefully qualify you for airdrops in the future. But now let's get into how you claim it. So you go to the claim website. I've linked it down below, lfg.jupe.ag/wen. You're supposed to say something will pop up and you put yes on the right side. It's like let me refresh the page and see if it opens. Oh, well, if you slow down, you'll see what comes up. It's basically no or something on the right that says that you're willing to move forward. What'll happen is you'll see the claim WEN option. In fact, when you first see it, it'll be like this with a red button. All you got to do is hit the claim button, and basically it will open up your Phantom or whatever wallet you're using, and then you can claim your WEN token. Now, if you haven't connected it already, you just got to click over here and connect your wallet. Right, like this. So hopefully that was very easy in claiming your wallet or claiming your WEN allocation. The next step, if you want to sort of trade it away, is to open up the Jupiter swap. And I'm going to link to this right away. I'm going to pick the WEN token. And who wants USDC? Because literally like everyone is trading it for Solana. Let's go back and put the amount in 643,652. That will get you about $50 worth of Solana, 5.549 Sol. That's pretty much for free just for using Jupiter over the last little while. So hope you qualified. Hope you guys have multiple wallets, and hope that made a lot of sense. Very quick video. Just wanted to get that out there. If you found value in this video, hit the like button. Show me that you liked it. Share the video with someone else you know that is probably going to get an airdrop of their own, and hit subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.